And now let's see how we can add icons into our website. Okay, probably you just need one or two icons on your website. So how are you gonna do that? So I need you to first of all make sure you have your internet activated already, and then you can go ahead to this website that says bossicons.com. Okay, it's free to use. You don't even need to register our account. Okay, just go to bossicons.com. Let's say you want to add a home icon. You can just come here and type in home. Okay, and we are having all these kind of icons here. So let me say I want this particular icon. All I have to do is to click on this place. Okay, click on it rather. Okay, I'll click on it and then click on this usage. All right, I'll click on this usage that is here. But before then, I can go ahead and copy this. Okay, just click on it to copy, and then go to your code and the place where you want to add your icon. Just go ahead and place it there. Save it up. Okay, save it. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and run live server. Okay, to open it on the live browser. Meanwhile, you're not gonna have anything seen. Okay, because there's one more thing you need to do, and that is actually click on this usage. Okay, just click on this usage and then go ahead and copy this code. Okay, yeah, copy this code you're seeing here that says script and then this and that, which is linking us to this particular website or voice icon. Okay, so just go ahead and copy that code and place it in the heading elements, probably before your CSS. Okay, sorry, just go ahead. I didn't copy correctly. I'll undo this. I'll go ahead and make sure I copy that correctly, and then come here and paste it here. Okay, so I have my script here. Okay, I just pasted it inside this head element. All right, and that's all I need to do, and that's all I need to do. I just go to my page and I will have my home icon being displayed. Okay, in case you want to change from home to any other one, okay, it's up to you. All you have to do is go ahead and search for whatever you want. Okay, let me say I just want let me go back and then say I want let me say a circle, if I can get something like that. Okay, yeah, let me just say I want this kind of thing. I'll just go ahead and click on this and copy this by just clicking on this. Okay, I can go ahead and come here and then add it. No need to add extra script again because we already have this one here. It governs every other one. Okay, just go ahead and then have this. As you can see, we have this running. All right, and one thing I need to also know is that you can also change the size. You can also change the size. You can add more like 40 here. Let's say the size is gonna be 40. Let's see. Let's check documentation again to make sure on the size. Okay, size. Okay, it makes use of XM and all right. All I have to do is I will say if I want it to be small, I can just go ahead and say XM and then have this as my small. And here I have MD LUG. Let me try LUG to make it more obvious. I can say LUG, and we have okay, we have it large here. All right, so you can also change the color. Okay, you can make use of any color, blue, red. Okay, depending on what you want. I can just come here and say let's make use of this color in this our home. Okay, I can just go ahead and say color of let me say blue this time around, and then I'll just save it out and I have the color to be blue. Okay, so this is how you can basically add icon to your website and also change the color and size. Okay, and thank you for staying through. Please I will also be encouraged, okay, if you can help us subscribe to this channel in case you have not subscribed to it, and go ahead and like this video and share to your friends. Okay, thank you for staying through. We'll see you in the next episode.